Hey guys, welcome back to another channel. So today we are going to be cleaning up the Jeep. I took it for a little rescue mission. It got a little muddy, so we will be cleaning it up. I'm going to be using some Super Clean. I will be painting the bottom of here with some Bedliner. I'm going to be putting on shocks afterwards, so that'll be a different video. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and park this Jeep up there and get started with the cleaning process. And Super Clean did hit me up. They sent me a package and I've been using their stuff for a couple months now. I just want to be sure that this is a company I want to be supporting, and honestly, it is really good stuff. It works on laundry, your cars, anything. So link will be down in the description below if you guys want to check them out. And we are also in Chris's garage once again. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so we got the pressure washer set up, and I'll link this down below. I really like this one. It has a bunch of different tips for different pressures, but I really like it. Other than the wheel though, the wheel kind of sucks. I would recommend doing something here. We're gonna go ahead and take all the mud off, and then afterwards we're gonna start brushing it with some Super Clean, and that should clean it up but get it ready for paint. All right, so now that we are done power washing all the mud off, it's time to clean the wheel wells. So I'm using the Super Clean just straight from the bottle, and I want to clean up everything under here because I will be painting it with the Bedliner. So that's what I want to do. I want to clean all this and then clean the bottom as well. And I'm telling you, this stuff works really well. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this on everything under here. I don't know about you guys, but in Southern California, the mud down here is like red clay. So that thing sticks to everything. I hate it. Let me know in the comment sections if you guys hate mud as much as I do. We're putting this on pretty much everything, and then we're gonna go ahead and brush it afterwards before we pressure wash it again. So I just want to get everything coated right now. And this stuff does not smell like a chemical smell. Like, you can actually breathe this in and not cough. All right, so I let the first layer of the Super Clean get on there, you know, to clean it up. So I'm gonna spray it again, just one more time real quick. And then I'm gonna go ahead and brush it. So I wanna clean it to get all the dirt off. That way, when I spray the Bedliner, it'll actually stick to this instead of to the dirt. And I'm doing a quick job just for the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and do all four corners, do it really well, and then afterwards I will clean it up with the pressure washer one more time, and then we'll be ready for paint. I scrubbed underneath the Jeep. Look at my hand. That is kind of a pain to have to scrub everything, but we got it done. Now Chris is gonna go on the pressure washer, clean up. We are ready to paint the inside of the fender liner. This is the following day, oh no, 2 days, and it's all dry now, so I can actually paint it. I'm using this Duplicolor truck bed coating, which is like a bed liner, so it's pretty expensive too, but I'm gonna link it down below so you guys can check it out. Let's start painting. I did have to tape up the shock. I should have painted before that, but I didn't think about it. Let's see how this thing sprays. I've never sprayed it before. We'll try it over here. And I don't care about these tires, so. Oh, that actually sprays really well. I should probably tape up the edge, but it's okay. What do you think, Chris? It looks clean, huh?
Yeah, it looks pretty clean.
Damn, that looks way better. Let me show you guys the other side so you can see the difference. So this is what this side looks like. This is what the other side looks like. So yeah, that actually looks really, really well. I'm actually happy with that. Oh. What are you sniffing, Chris? Everything under here. I'm gonna have to buy more for sure. For being out of a can, it's actually spraying really good. Tell me that doesn't look way better. Wow. That actually really cleaned it up. I'm actually happy with this product. I just bought it because I went to the store and I was bored one day, but no, this is actually pretty sick. I would recommend wearing gloves because I'm getting a bunch on my fingers, but let me continue doing this and I'll show you guys once I'm done. Also, here's what the front looks like before I get started. Jesus, look at this. It looks like brand new now. I put this over the coil so that way I don't spray that, and the shocks, I'm going to change them out on the next video, so that doesn't matter. But look at that. Super clean now. Compare that to this side. Oh yeah, the other side looks way better. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue spraying all around, and I'll show you guys once I'm done. I also have some of this Rust-Oleum semi-gloss. I'm gonna spray paint the axle just to kind of clean it up a bit. That way it doesn't look so old. I'll be changing the fluids out in the axle soon as well, so I'll probably, you know, paint this a different color, probably match the Jeep or something. I don't know, we'll see. Make it race car. One thing I've always said is that dirt looks really good when it's spray painted, so that's why we're doing this. And I already cleaned it with Super Clean. Tell me that doesn't look way better. I mean, this is not strictly cosmetic. This has no improvement off-roading, but I just want it to look clean. All right, so here's the other side on the front. And I got the rear done as well. I only have one can, but I think I'm gonna pick up another can on the underneath the Jeep. I was only able to get about to the front door right here. I still need to do up here and on the other side as well. And I do want to do another pass on the gas tank. So I'm gonna buy another can of this stuff. I actually really like how it came out. It looks really well. I would recommend doing 2 coats just to be safe, but I just did one thick one. But like I said, I'm gonna buy another can and just touch everything up and then do the gas tank skid plate and underneath the rockers right here, just to clean everything up. All right guys, so that'll be it for today's video. So I used Super Clean to clean everything out from underneath, and I brushed everything off too, just to be sure that it's clean for the paint. And then I used the Duplicolor, the truck bed stuff, so it looks really good. As you can tell, it's all black instead of that nasty like gray looking color with all the dirt stains. It looks way better. And here's a sneak peek with the shocks right there. So that'll be for the next video. I gotta finish up the front. I'll see you guys when I install those shocks. So peace out.